Hello everyone, it's Monika here and welcome to day 20 of this Papercraft Society Advent Calendar. We're getting closer to the end until Christmas and I'm really super excited. And to be honest, I can't believe that we've done so many days, that I managed to do so many days because it's a challenge. I have to tell you that we were talking about it with Katarina and Mel. It's a challenge to do those daily videos. So let's go to day number 20. It's 20 here with this pale pink envelope. And I'm really, yes, I don't know what it is because it's completely sealed. I couldn't pick in and I was really thinking, what can it be? Some beads or sequins or I don't know, but let's see. I'm thinking sequins. So let's see. And of course, because I'm so super excited about opening and checking what's this, I forgot to tell you who prepared that wallet. It's Creative Craft Products. It's another brand by Crafter's Companion. So let's see. Let's see. I just don't want to destroy this envelope because, of course, oh, I love the colors. I can already see what it is. Don't want to destroy the envelope because I have to put it back somewhere. Look at those beautiful sequins and I love the size and I love the colors. Oh wow, so many of them. I will need to find a pot for them and have a look. These are so pretty. And yes, I think I'm going to create a shaker card. What do you think? So let me prepare some products and I will be back with my tutorial. So I prepared some elements and these are the products I'm going to use for my project. So this paper discovery paper pad, you've seen me using that before, and then I'm going to match it with this metallic paper from Violet Studio. And I really wanted to use this die set. It's from Paper Discovery. I bought it not that long time ago. If you've seen my craft haul from Craft Stash, you probably have seen this one. So it's movers and shakers tags and a cute die set. It has that bunny which I'm going to use, and there is a bear and those three different shaker elements like this banner, tag, and this circle, and lots of elements to cut out. So I'm going to use this die set as well. And as you can see, that's the bear, which is very cute, and I wasn't sure which one to use, but I decided to go for the bunny. So what I did, I cut it out from white cardstock and I left the die on and I just inked it his ears and his belly. I made it pink and eyes and nose are in this brown ink. So I can put that aside and it's so cute. Look at that. I love those embossed things like his whiskers, mouth and eyebrows and everything. So that's what I'm going to use. And I cut out this banner. I've got the top and I cut this pattern paper from that paper pad and I backed it with another layer of white cardstock because the paper is quite thin. I thought I need something stronger. I've got the acetate cut out and that's the back for that. So let me put the shaker first. I hope it's not going to be too long. So let me just do it quickly. So I'm going to use just the glue, and what I will do, I will leave it to the side and then I will work on my card because this shaker needs to sit for a little bit just to become strong and adhered properly. So I'm adding that acetate which I cut out. You can use double-sided tape, but I know that I'm going to leave it for a moment on the side. I'm not worried about that. So now I need to going to use my anti-static bag because I don't want those sequins to stick to my acetate. And now I think it's time to put that double-sided foam tape, and I'm going to add a little bit of glue because I want my double-sided foam tape to be adhered properly and for a very long time. And this one is not very thick, and I'm just still thinking, shall I double it up or not? But those sequins are not that big, so I think I should be fine. And what I will do, I think speed up this part of the video because I will be very slow and steady. So I have done that shaker and I left it on the side, and I'm still going to leave it, and now I'm going to actually do the card. So it's 5 3/4 square with a top fold, and I'm going to adhere that metallic silver card first as my mat, and then I'm going to add that pink pattern paper, and then I will start decorating. So when I left that shaker, I actually managed to find a space for those sequins, and it was such a mess because everything just kind of tipped over all over my desk, and I had to clean it up. So it took me a while to sort it, but at least now I don't have to keep them in that paper envelope, and I actually put it into this. Hopefully it's just full of those little colorful sequins, and I keep in this the ones I use the most. So the colors I use, have to top up those because these are those iridescent ones, and I have it somewhere handy on my desk, and I just use them quite often. So let's see the shaker. As you can see, it's really nice and colorful. So I'm going to adhere it here on the left, and I need to add that bunny because I really wanted that bunny to be here. So I think I'm going to, can I, because I forgot, oh yes, I can tuck him a little bit under that frame. So I'm going to glue him down, him or her, and I like this a lot. So now let me add that one to my card. And then I can create the composition. So I'm going to use those leaves and flowers, and I took the sentiment from a wallet from day number 3. So this one is from day number 3 and it's the same Creative Craft products, so that's handy. And the flowers are from box number 2. So and the leaves I actually cut out from that die set I showed you at the beginning from that paper discovery. So I'm going to link that die set below the video because I think that die was on offer some time ago, and I really wanted to use this one, Happy Birthday, in that mint green. I think it will go together with that paper underneath it, but I think I need to, I think I've got a strip of that silver, metallic silver, and I think that's what, yes, I'm going to use that. I had the strip of paper from when I was cutting that mat, and let me just adhere it to that and cut it out, so I will have like a frame around it and it will look really nice. It will match my card, and it's going to make that stick a bit stronger. because when I want to add those foam pads, it's going to be really difficult. So I'm going to add that happy birthday first, and then I'm going to have that space for my composition. So I will adhere it here. So I need to add some foam pads only at the end. So let me do it quickly. Yeah, last few videos were quite long, and yeah, but I just don't like to do a voiceover. I know that Katarina likes it and she does it quite often. So I hope you like those videos we are creating for you guys. And as I said, it can be challenging as well, especially when we're having families and everything. So I hope you appreciate that, taking that time and creating for you. And yes, few more days and it will be over. So that's done. And remember about the hashtag PS Advent Calendar 2023, so you can share and see other people who creates a different project from that Advent Calendar. So let me see, I'm going to do a dry run and I like it already, so I think I will adhere those leaves and then I can add more if I need it. I like to add my leaves, just adding the glue at the end, and I like when they float a little bit. Just don't like flat projects. And yes, I'm thinking this one, and I'm thinking maybe a few small ones. That one underneath maybe. The blue one. Or actually, maybe I should go for this pink and blue. Let's see, let me start off with this one. What I'm going to do, I'm going to raise it on a double layer of this foam, so I will have enough space under this flower for other flowers. So I'm going to do that. Oops, don't stick, at least not yet. So I'm going to add this one, and then I will have enough space underneath to add different flowers. Maybe I should do like a cluster of flowers. Yeah, I think okay, I'm not going to think too much. I'm going to add this one flat. I still got a lot of flowers from that wallet, and I can adhere this one on the foam pad. I've got this little piece here, that single layer of foam, and touch of glue. I like that. Let's see if I want to add another flower on this side. And I think I will. What I'm going to do, I will cut a little bit off because I want it to be slightly more under that composition. At least you can see now how I arrange my flowers. I do a lot of different tutorials on my channel, and I love those kind of multi-layered arrangements. So yes, looking forward as always to see what other people are going to create with that wallet. You see, you can actually use that piece somewhere. I don't think it fits here. So let me see if I can add a few more leaves. I'm going to make them slightly shorter, and then I can maybe, I think it works here. And I think that's enough flowers. I want to use this one as well. Don't be afraid to just snip into your leaves. Doesn't matter if they're long. It's better if they are long, so you can actually snip. Yeah, I think I will going to tuck this one under that flower. Let me see. I can already see this video is going to be long again. hopefully not too long. And I think this time, before I forget, I want to add some gems, so let me grab those. So look at this card. I think it's cute and I really like it, especially the bunny. So let's see if I can add those somewhere. So I've got my tweezers and I picked those 2 gems, one big, one smaller, and I'm going to add it here. And oopsie. Oh no. I'm jumping as always. Whenever I'm recording, there's always something happening. But anyway, it's done now, and I really like this card. It's really nice and cheerful. Hope you like it as well, and let me know what do you think about it. What do you think about those sequins? Do you like them? Do you use sequins in your card making? I think it's really nice. I love the bunny, I love that die set, and I love that those flowers and sentiments. So I use 3 different wallets. So today's is day 20, and I use Creative Craft Products sequins, and I use the flowers. The flowers are from box number 2, and I use the Happy Birthday sentiment from box number 3. I think that's the one. Yes. So let me know what do you think about this card. Do you like it? Would you create something different? I'm really looking forward to your ideas, and I'm going to be checking Facebook groups as well. Go over to Katarina and Mel and check out what they've created as well. And remember about this hashtag PS Advent Calendar 2023. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow with another unboxing and another tutorial.